1704 Sunterro, gorgeous limestone house, quiet street, not a lot of cars on the street, everybody parking in the garage. Got some fresh grass here. It's a little brown, but you can fix that. It's nice and green there, not so much here, but green there. This will come back. We had a little sprinkler issue, it's been fixed, but we got some fresh mulch in the bed. Let me give you a little look at the house. Beautiful limestone. Got some nice little busheries. All right, take a gander. This house has been completely remodeled. Or not completely, but mostly remodeled. New floors throughout the entire house. It has brand new carpet, brand new vinyl plank flooring. Gorgeous. You got a big mirror there so you can look at yourself while you eat. And it opens to the staircase, sweeping staircase up there. And then you got two ways you can go. You can go to your room, the living room, or you can go to your kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen because that's a good part. All right, quartz counters. Got painted white cabinets with the matte black handles. Got nice stainless appliances, boom, boom. Open to the living room, fancy light fixture. You got a new sink, new faucet, nice and open. This open to the living room, fireplace. All right, so let's look at this while we're over here. You got the laundry room. You got gas or electric for your dryer, pantry, shelf. And you got your garage, the lights. So you got your sprinkler system over there, your electrical panel over there. You got two garage bays. And then, so that's right off the kitchen. Got a little bay window there. Nice open living room. This also has a very spacious game room upstairs. You got a fireplace there, gas starter, wood burning, I think. Here's your backyard. Nice and spacious. Nice patio. That's what a patio looks like. And then it is four-side limestone. Except for up there. But downstairs, all limestone. All right. So onward. So this is the way that you came from the living room. So here, coat closet, pow. That's what a coat closet looks like. Half bath, pow. Mirror, pow. Burned out bulbs, we'll replace those. Don't worry. Light bulbs are like $1 and we will replace them. Carpet, got a nice bay window there. Little ceiling fan. It's a very spacious, freshly vacuumed new carpet. Here is one of the closets. It has two closets, both walk-ins. Boom. Here's your other closet. You got two sinks. You got a jetted tub. Clean. You got a window there. You can shut the blinds. You got a nice, spotlessly clean shower stall and a toilet closet. Boom. Nice, spacious, open primary bathroom. All right. Ooh, love those. So pretty. Okay. All right. Upstairs. All right. All right. So this is game room. Very spacious. High ceilings. For a second story, you got high ceilings in the game room. New carpet all throughout here too. So here is the front bedroom. Very spacious. This house has been painted throughout. Entire house is a nice gray color with white trim. Everyone loves it. Another bedroom. Next closet. Get that switch. All right. So this bedroom is shared with guests. So this is the game room. And so this bathroom is shared. You got a little linen closet here. Shelf, 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 shelf. You got this nice spotlessly clean. And it's shared to this bedroom. So this bedroom, it's a big circle. So this bedroom it's very big. It has its own private sink and a walk-in closet right here. And then it has a shared toilet and tub. And then it shares this sink. This sink is just shared with this bedroom and then this hallway. And then right here, storage. Okay, there you go. So you got like a little platform for your storage there. Oh, it's hot. It's hot in the attic. And that is 1704 Sunterro. Tour over.